learn about colors. Here's a list of things that are red. Strawberry, fire extinguisher. Cherry, apple, red flower. Here are some things that are orange. Football, orange. Carrot, pumpkin, clownfish. Here are some things that are yellow. Yellow leaf, school bus, duck, lemon, corn. Things that are green. Tree, cucumber, broccoli, grass, cactus. Things that are blue. Bluebird, blue car, blue cap, blueberry, blue jeans. Things that are purple. Grapes, shoes, butterfly, purple cabbage, purple flowers. Things that are pink. Pink flower. Swan, pig, pink bow. Ice cream. Things that are gray. Elephant, gray t-shirt. Mouse, cat, stone. Things that are brown. Bear, football, bag 1. Nut, tree stem. Things that are black. Black rabbit, sunglasses. Shoes, crow, tire.